Hey guys, I'm getting ready to cook our favorite fried rice and some little loin chops. We've been eating out so much, it's ridiculous. So I've been cooking more and more, and it's it's just awesome. And Greg loves it. So all I did on the chops, I'm going to let these soak. But I'm going to chop up a bunch of stuff, and I'll show you what that is. I put some Cavenders and some extra garlic in these. Just let them kind of marinate in the bag while I chop everything up. Okay, so I'll do that, and you guys don't have to watch, but I'll show you all the ingredients. I've got ginger, I've got onion, I've got a carrot, I've got chopped green onion, garlic, and lots of butter. Okay, and then soy sauce. Alright, I've got everything chopped up, y'all. I got one carrot chopped, kind of fine. That's quite a pretty big carrot. Got my pan hot with some oil, olive oil, and I'm going to saute these and soften them up. Okay, I'm going to do the carrots first because we like our vegetables soft. Some people like them a little crunchy, but I like them soft. Greg likes them soft. So I'll do that. And while I'm doing that, while those are going, I've got up like medium high. Let that go. I'm going to do an egg in the microwave. So what I do, I spray a Pyrex little measuring cup with some butter spray. Break an egg in there. Mix it up a little bit. Add a little bit of salt. Just a couple dashes. There we go. Put it in the microwave. I start off with like 15 seconds. There we go. There it goes. Stir this around. Keep stirring the carrots around. And pull this out. Stir it a little more. See, it's getting like a little bit of form to it. And I do it another 15 seconds. Okay, let's see what's going on with the egg. Oh, look at that. See? About right. It's not real hard and not too, still pliable a little bit. Just enough. And I'll just kind of break it up with the fork and set it to the side. Pretty good. I've learned on that one. I cheat. Some people put it in the pan and scramble them in the pan. I'm just doing enough for Greg and myself, so that's easier. Just easier. No reason to dirty a whole pan just for that. Now, I've got a half of a medium small onion chopped. Got a full tablespoon, real full tablespoon of chopped up fresh ginger. And this is like a clove and a half, or a pretty good sized clove of garlic that's minced. So the carrots, you can see they're kind of turning a little brighter in color. I'll go ahead and put the onions in. So they'll soften up and get translucent, they say. It's already smelling good. Yeah. See, they're turning a little yellow because of the carrot. And I'm going to go ahead and put my ginger in. And I wait for the garlic because that cooks really fast. I'll wait on the garlic. I'll throw a little bit of salt in here. I always do a little bit of salt. That helps bring out the flavors more. Okay, that's sauteing. I can turn it down a little bit. I don't want to toast the onion I just want them to get like soft and translucent. So I'll turn it down so they don't turn brown. Like, you know, like on fajitas, you like them all toasty brown. No, I don't want that on there. And it's raining again. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my pan for my pork. Because I want to make sure it's real good and done. So I've got a pan going here. Let it heat up. Throw some olive oil in there. And then I'll throw these in there. These little babies. Just a little bit of protein. Now if you wanted, after you got this all sauteed and you know, soft, you can pull all these out and throw them to the side and chop up some chicken breast and saute your chicken breast in these juices from the onions and carrots and ginger, and that would be chicken fried rice. Yeah, chicken fried rice. Or you could do pork that way too, but I like a piece of meat. So, and then also you could put peas, green peas. Makes it look good. Greg doesn't like peas, but I mean, if you go to Benihana's, you're going to get the peas. You could get shrimp in there or whatever. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw my garlic in there. They're starting to get a little translucent. And that's just like a big clove. One big clove. We like garlic. Okay, that's getting hot. I can tell. Put a little bit of oil in there. Where the pork has a lot of natural fat anyway. So I like to get a good sear on it. I just hope the smoke detector doesn't go off, because it likes to go off when I'm searing stuff. Okay, I need to rinse my hands. I handled some pork. Let me grab another pork. So that's good and hot. That's nice. Sizzling. And I've got a whole thing right here of rice. Ta-da! This thing has been a lifesaver for me, guys. Greg's had this since 1987. And I have never been able to get rice cooked right. So, this thing has been awesome. And you can make up your rice or even use leftover rice, which is even better to use. Leftover rice that sits in the fridge and kind of dehydrates a little bit is really good to make fried rice. But I'll make rice and eggs in the morning. I'll make rice, like fried rice like this. I'll make stroganoff and throw it on rice. Greg loves rice, okay? He loves it. So, I made this up. It's been here for a while. Nice and cool. I took the lid off so it wouldn't be mushy. Okay, this looks good. Turn up a little bit more. Get a little bit more flavor going. Looks good. Let's see how these are doing. Looks good. I want a little sear on those, and then I'll turn it down and let them cook down to make sure they're done in the middle. These are nice and perfect. Look at that color on there. Isn't that great? Yeah, baby. I love it. Okay. So I was going to try to measure this out on the rice. Let's see. Let me get... I'll kind of measure it, okay, you guys? Alright. There's like all the way at the top is a cup. I'm going to put a cup in here. That's 1 cup. Let me see. Here. That's like 2 cups. All that stuff. How about 2.5? How about that? 2.5 cups of rice. That's a good meal. Awesome. And I'm going to put a bunch of butter in here. Okay, I'm going to turn these down so they'll go ahead and cook up. Yeah, that's good. I can put the render the fat on the sides a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Now I'm going to throw a bunch of butter in here. That's like 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Let's do 3 tablespoons. See what I mean? Yeah. So I let it set out to get soft enough so I could do that. I'm going to go ahead and put in, I have chopped green onions. This is like 2 of them. Put those in. You can saute them too, but I like them to be a little firmer. Get some butter melting. Break this all up. Coming along. See, that green onions give it some color. I mean, I don't have to have the peas in there. You could have your chicken already cooked in the pan and then throw all your veggies and then all your rice. Yum. And I'm going to throw a little bit more garlic, because that butter and garlic, a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit. Now we're going to put soy sauce, right? That's salty by itself. You can get the low sodium if you need to, or I'm a salt fanatic. I can't help it. I like to eat just raw cucumbers with salt. You know, it's like I'll make a dish and then I've got to have salt. Even like burgers that you get from like McDonald's, which I don't eat anymore. I used to load them up with salt because they had no flavor. Wow. Yum, yum. That's beautiful, huh? And whether you know it or not, propane cooks up everything. It's hotter, so it makes everything cook up faster, hotter. Even if I put this on simmer, it's like almost like a medium. At least on this one. I don't know about other RVs, but mine, even simmer, I have to like put the pan to the side sometimes because it's just, it burns hotter than regular natural gas. And I do prefer natural gas. Now electric, I don't like using electric. I mean, I have, of course, I had all electric homes before. Alright. Okay. Let me check these out. Yeah, that's real good. That's real good. See, I'm on low and look how it's sizzling. Okay. Awesome. Okay, let me grab a spoon. I'm going to grab a spoon and taste this baby. I haven't put the eggs in yet. And I haven't put the soy sauce, but I want to make sure it has some flavor. Here. So far, so good. Okay.
It's fun watching her cook. She gets excited every time she cooks.
Yeah. Here's my eggs, you guys. A little bit of egg in there. Alright. Toss that around a little bit. You can put like 2 or 3, I don't know. Depends if you like that many eggs. See? Alright. I'm going to turn this off and let those set. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce. Okay? Some people get the name brand everything. I do generic on almost everything. I do a, see, I'm just splashing it around. There we go. Okay, you hear Max? He smells the meat. He wants a taste. That's why he's bothering us. I need a little bit more. Yeah, be nice. See, he thinks he's getting you a taste. I'm splashing it again. Okay. Awesome. Now, I add more when we're eating. Greg doesn't like a lot of it, so I just add what I want later when I'm plating. Ooh, that looks good. Here, let me get another spoon. Here's a little bit of egg, a little bit of everything. There's quite a bit of carrots this time. Let me see. Hot, hot, hot. I like, That's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It gives it color too, but that's a lot of carrots. I could have done less with carrots, but that's good. It's good, y'all. You grab a plate, man. Show you. Yeah, that's beautiful. Easy peasy. Let me grab a dish. All right. Everything's off. Get this all dished out. Sorry, Gordon. I'm not great at plating. I throw it on there. Here we go. Oh, yeah. There you go, baby. Dinner.
Looks awesome.
All right, you guys. Well, that's Janet cooking. All right? You guys, talk at you later, all right?